I trained until my legs gave out. I used every connection my father had. I did everything right. And I still could not call this mine.
The town skating competition is next week, Sophia. I saw the student list. Mark's daughter is also competing.
Ah, Lily. We cannot let that family look better than us, sweetie. Our family image is very important.
Yes, Mother.
A Harper does not share the spotlight, Sophia. We dominate. You must take the gold trophy. Remember, second place means nothing in this house. Do you understand?
Yes, Daddy. I will win. Sophia, I saved you the best seat in class today. Right next to the window. Good. And your bag is totally safe with me, Sophia. It is very clean. And I brought you apple juice, your absolute favorite. We want you to have energy for the skating competition, of course. Put the bag down, Pip. I can carry it myself. Oh, no, it's okay. I like carrying it. It's not heavy. Put it down. And Nora, put the juice away. I am not thirsty. But we are your friends, Sophia. We just want to help you win. Ridiculous. Who is your friend? You only want my money and my toys. Wow! Look at Lily go! She is like a bird! She is so fast! Nobody can beat her next week! Lily! That was the most beautiful double axel I have ever seen! You are like a little star on the ice. Thank you! Wow, Lily, you are a genius. You are the best skater in our class. You look like a real bird flying, Lily. If you skate like this next week, the gold trophy will be yours for sure.
Everyone thinks Lily is the queen now. Are you going to stand there and watch her take your trophy?
No, I am the best. I will show them. Okay, Sophia, it is your turn. Show us your double axel. Two and a half turns. Easy. I must be perfect. I must be number one. Sophia!
Remember, second place means nothing in this house.
No, I cannot lose.
Sophia, are you okay? That was a very hard fall. Here, take my hand. Let me help you. Don't touch me. I don't need your help. Get away from me, Lily. Sophia, why do you hate me so much? What did I do wrong? Please tell me. What did you do wrong? You really don't know, Lily? Stop acting.
I don't know.
Don't touch me. You are a hypocrite. I hate your smile, I hate your help, and I hate you. Oh, Sophia, don't be sad. Your jump was actually amazing. The ice today was just too slippery. It wasn't your fault at all. Shut up, Nora. Lily did it perfectly. The ice wasn't slippery for her. Lily? Pff, that was just pure luck. She practiced all day yesterday because she has nothing else to do. But you, Sophia, you are a true professional. Everyone knows you are the real star here. But she will win the trophy next week if this continues.
Not if she can't practice anymore. Sophia, what if the rink is suddenly busy or closed? You are a Harper, remember?
You can do anything. Go outside. Lock the door. I need to make a call to the principal. Yes, Sophia, right away.
Hello, Sophia. Is everything all right with your practice?
Hello, Mr. Davis. I need a favor. I want the school rink to be closed for the rest of the week. No one else can practice here. Only me.
But Sophia, the competition is next week. Lily and the other students need to practice too.
My father will double the donation for the new sports center this evening. But only if the rink is empty for me.
I understand, Sophia. The rink will be closed for maintenance starting tomorrow morning. Happy training.
Now, let's see how you win, Lily.
I am so sorry, everyone. The school just called me. The cooling system is broken. The rink must close for maintenance. But Miss Clara, the competition is in 3 days. We need to practice. This is bad. Very bad. My program is not ready yet.
No practice. But what about my double axel? I will forget how to jump.
I know, Lily. I know you work very hard. But the ice is not safe right now. Safety comes first. Okay, children. Go home and rest today. I will text your parents when the rink reopens. Safety first.
It's true, I cannot do it. No matter how much I try, I cannot beat her jump.
If I jump this in the competition, I will fall. I will lose everything. No, I must survive. I will change my program.
I will do the double loop. It is easy. It is safe. No mistakes. Coward, you are a loser. A useless Harper!
Nora, please don't say that. Sophia is just tired. Her knees are bleeding.
Tired?
Next week is the competition. If Sophia doesn't do the double axel, Lily will win the gold trophy.
Lily will be number 1. But if Lily is better, she deserves to win.
Wake up, Pip! If Lily wins, she will be Miss Clara's favorite. If Sophia loses, her dad will stop paying for our luxury skate camp. I didn't spend the whole year flattering that rich, spoiled girl just to end up in 2nd place. Sophia can't do it, so we must make sure Lily cannot do it either.
Nora, what are you going to do?
Not me, Pip. You are going to do it. Tomorrow morning, before the school bus arrives, you will find Lily's locker.
What have I done? It was Nora's idea. Oh no, someone is coming. I have to hide.
Welcome to the Regional Junior Figure Skating Championship. Up next, the free skating program.
My turn. Everyone is looking at me. Dad is looking at me. Should I do the double axel? No. If I fall, Dad will be furious. I will lose everything. Double loop is safer.
Representing the Harper Elite Skating Club, please welcome Sophia Harper! Music, please! $50-20. A pathetic score for a coward. Trading a double axle for a safe double loop?
Do you honestly think a runaway performance is enough to protect the Harper name, Sophia?
If that Lily girl lands her program, you will learn the true price of your cowardice.
Sophia, you did it! That was incredibly clean. I was watching from the screen, and your transitions were just beautiful. I'm so happy for you! Of course it was clean, Lily. That is what a Harper does. We don't leave room for mistakes. Now it's your turn. Just focus on your own run and don't trip out there. The ice is getting slippery.
Up next, please welcome Lily.
Go take that first place, my little hypocrite. You deserve it. What? What was that sound? Oh my God! That was a terrible fall. Her double axle failed completely. She lost her edge and fell hard on the ice.
Sophia.
Did you see that fall? It looked so painful. Our girl is too small for this.
Calm down, Mark. Take a deep breath. Look, she is smiling. She finished the dance. She is very strong.
You are right, Sarah. Our girl is amazing.
What is happening out there? Is Lily really okay? Please, let her be okay.
Attention please, the final scores are ready. The gold medal goes to Sophia Harper.
What? First place? No, this is impossible. This is not right.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our champions. First place, Sophia Harper. Second place, Lily. And third place, Mia.
I know it was you, Sophia.
Lily, what are you talking about?
The screws on my skates. They were loosened. No, Lily, I didn't. I swear, Don't lie to me anymore. Right before I went out, you told me don't trip. You knew it all along. Please, listen to me. I won't tell the judges and I won't tell my parents. Consider this my final gift. To our dead friendship, enjoy your gold medal, Sophia. You bought it with your soul.
No, Pip. Why? Why would you do this?
Pip, tell me the truth. Why did you do this to Lily? Sophia, please. Nora told me to do it. She planned everything.
Sophia, this is a competition. In this world, if you don't crush them, they will crush you. I did this for our team. No, you did it for yourself. But it's over now. The evidence is all here, Nora. I will give this USB to the judges. Everyone will know the truth. Give it to them. No one will believe you. Sophia, I will tell everyone that you told us to do it. Think about it. Who gets the gold medal? Who wins the first place? You are the only one who benefits here.
Good job, Sophia. You won the first place. You made the Harper family proud. And Nora, very smart thinking. You are right.
Father? You know about this?
Sophia, give me that USB, now.
No! Father, why did you do that?
protect our family name. Don't disappoint me, Sophia. Remember who you are. Here are your rewards. You both did a great job for the team. Keep your mouths shut.